Ang bigat ng part na ito.
Paradise Channel.
Inspirational message. Okay, so anyway. Nagsimula tayo sa magarang umpisa kanina. May production number tayo, may Zumba. So kailangan na yung energy natin hanggang sa huli ng ating palatuntunan na ito ay syempre ano pa rin tayo, energetic pa rin hanggang sa katapusan ng ating palatuntunan na ito. Okay, so my morning greetings to each and everyone, especially to the celebrants, the celebrators, the teachers. Yes, from kinder to grade 6, including our COS because she is also a teacher. Okay, then my greetings also to the East ELG officers, the school elementary learners government, and to the advisor, Sir Plari, and also I would like to acknowledge the effort of Sir Manuel. Today, we celebrate remarkable individuals who shape our future, right? Because these teachers in front of you, ECLG, are are the product of teachers. And natural niya may trabaho din niya. Community are the product of our teachers. Okay. On this special day, let us take a moment to honor the dedication, passion, and unwavering commitment that you bring to your classroom every day, dear teachers. So teaching is not a profession. It's not just a profession. It is a calling. It requires patience, resilience, and a genuine love for learning. Each of you has the power to ignite curiosity, inspire creativity, and instill confidence in your learners. You are the guiding lights that help them navigate the often challenging journey of education and life. Consider the profound impact you have. You are not merely educators, you are mentors, role models, and sometimes even second parents. The lessons you impart go far beyond textbooks. They shape character, foster critical thinking, and cultivate empathy. The values instilled in our learners will stay with them long after they leave your classrooms. Remember, every time you encourage a shy student or learners to speak up or provide extra support to sometimes who's struggling, you're making a difference. Every moment you spend inspiring a love for learning is a moment that can change a life. True, diba? The world needs passionate individuals like these teachers in front of you. They are passionate. Diba? Naniniguro hirang ang mahibaro ka mo. Tapos, di rin man lalaghihap nag-aaral, man di rin gina-apply, ha? Ira, tinuod niya kinabuhi. Nanay pa, teacher, ginaano, itutudol na la. Bisa nagtututunahin, maupay nga pamatasan, waray na ang mga greetings nga amo nababatian like we experienced before. Diba? Bisan hagawas, itutumas-tumas na lay teacher. Oo, di ba? So, ayaw kita ito, let us i-value naton, aton i-treasure ang mga gintutudong nga maupay, nga pamatasan ng aton mga teachers. Is ELG na mamati? Because is ELG, you are the model of the learners of San Andres Elementary School. Di ba? Namamati, is ELG? Oo. Di ba? Gintutudong ka mo yung maupay, nga pamatasan, haiyo classroom. Diba? The world needs passionate individuals who can think creatively, act compassionately, and lead with integrity, and you are nurturing those qualities in your students. So, amo itong teacher. Okay? As you celebrate teachers, your achievements, because this is our achievements, let us thank the Lord for bringing us today for this special day to all of us, teachers. Know that your hard work does not unnoticed. Oh, di ba? Naniniguro na yung teacher, pero hibata, dilagap na mamati. Di ba? Dali nasing yung teacher, nagwawalwal na takdila, di lang ahaw kamo na mamati. Oo, di ba? Kay ano, pag-aabot itong quiz, it result failure. Di ba? Oo. And dapat, dangali ka mo ang classroom, mamamati ka mo ang teacher, kay ikakausala ka mo hito aagi haira. Ha? Nabadadarala niyo paggawas niyo kang teacher an maupay nga gintutdo ni teacher ha iyo. Di ba? O, masari ka mo pagdako niyo, masari ka mo. Kan teacher Roth, ni para ako pagkuanhan mathematics. Di ba? Pag solve ang problem, then didikan Ma'am Darlene, para ako pagbasa. Kan Ma'am Marivic. Di ba? So, dito nga mga kuan, nga mga di natin mahingangalimtan. And those that notice things nga diri niyo ginaasidanay. So let's honor our teachers, SLG. Not just today ha, diri layan na kay bakay teachers, yan nila niyo tataganhin maupay nga pagtratar ang teacher, but throughout the school year and throughout your life also. Okay? So let's support one another in this noble endeavor, recognizing that the work you do is essential to building a brighter future. Together, let's continue to inspire, empower, and uplift the next generation. Thank you for your unwavering dedication, for believing in the potential of every child. Happy Teachers Day and mabuhay!
Mga igsoon ko, salamat